Good morning, everybody. Hoop says good morning to you. We're down here hanging out in the boathouse. It's air conditioned in here, so it's real nice. It's hot outside. That's one of the reasons we're in here making some stuff today for the tackle box. It's been a little bit since I made a video. We had a Memorial Day weekend. We had a busy weekend here at Lake of the Ozarks. Fishermen really don't want to be out on the water after about 9 in the morning, so I've taken some time off. We had a grandbaby. That was exciting. But today I'm here to show you my sinker setup. I'm short on my homemade sinker slides, so I'm making some. It's real simple. I'll get to that here in a minute. But I'm going to show you my setup. I've got a pole rigged up here. You can see. I've got a pole rigged up here. This is one of several that I have, but this is the rig I'll run. So you got your 8/0 circle hook. Float or no float, your choice. Sometimes I run both. Coming on up here, we got a swivel. And right above that swivel, we've got a bead to protect that knot. And then I'm using these little aquarium hoses, and I just burn a hole through them, and then I can hook any weight I want. So if I'm casting out, anchoring out, I might throw a flat weight. I'll clip this on through that hole there, and then cannonball. And if I decide to do some dragging, I don't change my setup. I just put a different weight on, put a slinky on it. And so, just for giggles, we'll put this cannonball on there. So when you run the cannonball, these clips, run it through the hole that I make in the aquarium hose, just like that. But whenever you run it on there, make sure you've got the line hooked. I know I probably can't show you that, but inside of there, that line is hooked with that swivel. And then clip it. And there you go. You got a sliding weight. And like I said, you can change it out with any type of weight you want. Slide it back off there, get rid of the cannonball. Got some of these made up. Use those in heavy current. Here's another dragging stick I've made. That's just buckshot in there. It's got that swivel. So take that snap, put it on that aquarium hose. Now you've got a dragging weight. See there? So that's how I run my setup. And I use this setup a lot unless I'm bottom bouncing, which is a whole different rig, or Carolina rigging. But this is a modified Sandy Cooper rig, and this is pretty much what I'm running. If I anchor out even, and a lot of times I did it on a video here a while back. When I anchor out, I'll clip this weight. If it's shallow water, like a foot, 2 foot deep, something like that, I'll clip it on that swivel right there instead of my rubber weight. And I found if I clip it on my rubber weight and I let this weight do whatever it wants, the float floats the bait out of the water. I actually see my floats floating, which is not a bad thing. I've caught some big catfish on top water in 2 foot of water. But I just, in that setup, I didn't really want that, so I hooked the weight here, and that's only gonna let the float go up, 20 inches, or however long a leader you got to your float. So anyway, that's normally I hook it on the aquarium hose. That one time I hooked it on the swivel itself. So let's get to making some of these. Alright, so what we got, I got an old aquarium air rig for your aquarium, and it's junk, so I'm just using the hose off of it. And I just take me a piece of wire or anything, and I'm gonna make this, my slide's about a 1/2 inch long, so I'm gonna come about a 1/4 inch. My rod's not hot. I'm heating my rod up here with the, this over there. Got a soldering iron with my rod setting on. It keeps it hot, but it ain't hot enough. So I'm gonna get it a little bit warmer with a torch. It just takes a little bit. Get that dude hot. I'm gonna burn a hole right through the hose, about a 1/4 inch up. And then I'm gonna kind of water it just a little bit because I don't want it real tight on that swivel. I'll go on the other side, do the same thing. That's all there is to that. That's it. That's all there is, folks. I'm gonna cut it about a 1/2 inch long, just like that. Now you can take any swivel you want. Let me turn this on. Can you see what we're doing? That's it. That's all there is. That's all there is to that. Simple. Just a piece of aquarium hose. You don't need a $3 sinker slide or whatever. I just use these here. Do it however you want. Alright guys, you've seen how I make my sinker slides. So hope you liked the video. A little how-to demonstration video. Teach you how I do things, and hope it helps you guys out. But until the next video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. That'll tell you the next time I'm going to make a video. And until then, see you on the next one.